Morning, dear students. Today I want to discuss 2024 JEE Advanced question. This question is from coordination compounds. Among VCO 6 times, CrCO 6 times, CuCO 6 thrice, MnCO 5 times, FeCO 5 times, COCO 3 minus, CrCO 4 minus, and iridium complex. So the total number of species isoelectronic with tetracarbonyl nickel is. So now this is moderate question only. So just we can count the electrons in all spaces. Then we can compare with tetracarbonyl nickel. Isoelectronic with means same number of electrons. So in which species that electrons are equal to nickel tetracarbonyl electrons. Okay, that is the right answer. So now one by one we can check. Now first one VCO 6 times. So you know vanadium atomic number 23 plus 6 into carbon monoxide. Carbon atomic number 6 electrons. Oxygen atomic number 8. 6 plus 8 14 electrons. Then 23 plus and this value 84, that is equal to 107 electrons. Now CrCO 5 times. Now chromium atomic number 24 electrons plus 5 into 14. Then 24 plus 70, that is equal to 94 electrons. And CuCO thrice. Copper 29 electrons, atomic number 29, 3 into 14. Then 29 plus 42. So that is equal to 71 electrons. MnCO 5 times. So manganese atomic number 25 plus 5 into 14. That is equal to 25 plus 70. That is equal to 95 electrons. Next, FeCO 5 times. Iron atomic number 26. So 5 into 14. Now 26 plus 70. That is equal to 96 electrons. CO thrice 3 minus, that is equal to cobalt atomic number 27 plus 3 into 14 and minus 3 means we should add plus 3. Okay, so negatively charged complex, so minus 3 means we should add plus 3. Then total how many electrons? You can count 72 electrons. How many electrons? 72 electrons. Understood? And next one, chromium CO 4 times 4 minus, that is equal to chromium 24 plus 4 into 14 and minus 4 means we should add plus 4 electrons. Then 84 electrons. And the last complex, that is iridium. IrCO thrice. So iridium atomic number, that is provided already, 77 plus 3 into 14. Then overall value 119 electrons. Now the reference particle, the main particle, nickel tetracarbonyl. So now NiCO 4 times. Nickel atomic number 28 plus 4 into 14. Then that is equal to 28 plus 56. That is equal to 84 electrons. Understood? So this is NiCO 4 times, in which how many electrons are there? 84 electrons. Now these 84 electrons equal with which particle? Which particle? So just you can observe all particles. Yeah, this one. Understood? This one. Then how many species are isoelectronic with NiCO 4 times? Only one particle. Only one particle. Isoelectronic. Okay. Isoelectronic. Only one particle. Understood? Only one particle. So now, so how many compounds are isoelectronic with NiCO 4 times? Only one. So answer only one. Understood? Only one. So this is integer type question. This is a moderate question. I hope everyone understood this one. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.